How to fix WhatsApp voice message ear speaker issue. Hey, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a common issue on WhatsApp when your voice messages only play through the loudspeaker instead of the ear speaker. Let's get started. If you're facing this issue, it's usually because WhatsApp defaults to the loudspeaker when you play a voice message. But don't worry. This is easy to fix with a few simple steps. Step 1. Test the problem. First, let's test the issue. Play a voice message and see if the sound comes from the loudspeaker instead of the ear speaker. If it does, follow these steps. Step 2. Check your proximity sensor. The proximity sensor detects when your phone is near your ear and automatically switches the audio to the ear speaker. Play a voice message and move the phone close to your ear. If the sound doesn't switch, the sensor might be dirty or blocked. Clean the sensor area with a soft cloth. Step 3. Check WhatsApp's permissions. Go to your phone settings, find Apps or Application Manager, locate WhatsApp, and ensure it has the necessary permissions for the microphone and speakers. Enable microphone and speaker permissions. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp. Don't forget to back up your chats first. To back up, go to WhatsApp settings, Chats iChat Backup, then hit Backup. Once that's done, uninstall and reinstall the app. Step 4. Make sure your phone software is up to date. Go to your phone settings, find the System Update option, and check for updates. Update your phone software. If none of these steps work, the issue might be hardware related. Consider visiting a professional repair shop to check your phone's proximity sensor or ear speaker. And that's it. I hope this helped you fix your WhatsApp voice message ear speaker issue. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.